What is up, my bros? My name is Super Fast and Camera37, and yes, I am making more YouTube videos right now. Before I get into this, wow, before I get into this, pause this video for a moment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep it up, my bros. Let's get straight into this. Okay, so move. See them? These are flowers. Okay. What was I going to talk about? Oh yeah, Mother Nature. Let's talk about that. Okay, so basically, for Mother Nature, we're going to be talking about today is grass and flowers. What's so important about grass and flowers? Okay, so grass grows so beautifully. So grass grows beautifully. Imagine having your very own backyard. I'm saying there's no grass in your backyard. And just dirt, right? What's up, kitty? Anyways, what was I talking about? So, in your backyard, let's say if you didn't have any grass, just dirt. And, just dirt, right? And grass can't grow there. Well, plant a grass seed. Like, let's say, plant some flowers. So put the seed in the grass, in the ground, 4 feet below, and just do that, and water the seed careful, and plant the seed, and after that, looking good. Good there, and the grass grows in your backyard. So beautiful, huh? What are you talking about over there? Anyways, what am I doing? So, oh my lord, dude. So, grass is beautiful. Flowers are beautiful. They grow in nature. It's such an awesome thing. We need them. Trees are oxygen too. But we won't be talking about that tomorrow. So, tomorrow we are talking about Mother Nature. Trees need oxygen. That's what we're talking about tomorrow. So, and that was it for this video. Pause this. Oh. Somebody made Super Fast. Gamer37. The credits, the comments, and the after this video. Oh, yeah. And no rocks and grass. Oh. I'm leaving the rocks. Want to see it? You can't have rocks and grass. You know why? Because rocks are hard. You know why they're hard? Let's say if you're lawn mowing, making your front yard or your backyard looking perfect, and you came across a rock and lawn mowed a rock, that rock would go in your lawnmower, and that lawnmower won't work anymore. Rocks. I know. Rocks are a very hard place. Rocks are hard places. Rocks are hard places. They're more like hard things. Right? Look. Alright. These are rocks. These are rocks. These are rocks, okay? You get it? You get it? Okay. Anyways, catch you later into the next video. Bye bye everyone. Peace out, special dudes. Oh my gosh. Okay.